Alright guys, I just got these Mighty Max batteries from Amazon, and what's interesting is when you take off the label from Mighty Battery, you can actually see it's a completely different brand. There was a sticker here that was also covered up for whatever reason, and it's actually made by UPGI. So look at this, they got labels on top of other labels. So let me just show you. This is how they come packaged. And you can see there's a label over top of another label, but you can see through it, it actually says Universal Power Group, Sweet 100, right? So they're basically rebranding just by putting different stickers on. Look at this. This is not even a new battery. I just took it out of the case, right? So it should be brand new. The bottom's all scuffed up. And look, it's got a sticker right here. Mighty Max battery. Sticker right there. But this is what concerns me. This is not a new battery. So I'm wondering if these are batteries that, for example, sit like in a power supply box or here. They never get touched, they never get, damaged except for a little scuff. They just recharge them, throw a label on there, throw it in the box, and sell to you as a new battery. When really it's probably gonna last maybe a year. I mean, hopefully. But yeah, just be careful out there.